What's up, guys? Sam James, Barprints.co, and I'm here with Phyllis from Colon Salvadoreno Rum. How are you doing today, Phyllis?
I'm really good. How are you?
Awesome, thanks. Tell us a little bit about Colon. How'd you guys get started? Just what makes it unique to the other rums that are out in the market right now?
So this is our third day of Colon's life. Colon is a passion project from 5 friends. We all worked together at our previous company, and 2 of the founders visited El Salvador and they just fell in love with the place. So we wanted to create something and bring it out of El Salvador with a positive message. And so we make 2 rums. The second one I have here is our coffee infused. We make a cold maceration of whole coffee beans from El Salvador to make this like dry, beautiful flavor without any sweetness in it.
Okay. Excellent. And tell me about the bottle. The bottle is very unique. It's a wine bottle.
It's a wine bottle. So what we wanted to do, 2 things. We wanted our rum to be about the liquid that's inside. So we didn't want to create like a super fancy bottle. So we wanted the focus to be on that. Second thing is, because there's so many rums out there, you need to do something different. So for us to sit on a shelf in a wine bottle, instantly people will recognize it as something slightly different. Okay. And we're a dark bottle, we're clean, we're quite a minimal style with the labeling and everything. So yeah, the focus comes then back onto what's inside.
Excellent. And the labeling of the bottle, this, what kind of currency is that?
So, Colon is the currency in El Salvador. When the US dollar was introduced there, their currency was lost. So you can still buy things, it's still legal tender, but people don't use it. And so for us, working with El Salvador as a country and the people there, we wanted to bring something from there. And so we wanted to celebrate the currency that's not really around anymore. So all of the details in the label has been designed by a guy called Chris, one of our partners, and it's very like small details about the country. And then in the top, we actually made a Cologne coin. So a special coin designed by us, but inspired by the original Cologne coins. And you can pop it out so you can collect them and keep them.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so what? How has Bar Convent been for you so far?
It's been amazing, actually. We've had really, really good feedback. It's always nerve-wracking when you're producing your own brand and you show it to people for the first time. But yeah, we've had amazing feedback from everybody. So we'll see. For our job now is to get importers and to actually get it out and sell it. So yeah, for day 3, it's pretty good.
Well, congratulations on the launch and wish you nothing but success. Where can people find more information about Colon? What's your social media, your website? Where can people find you guys?
So for Instagram, we are Colon Salvadoreno. Simple. The website's exactly the same. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Phyllis, thank you for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Cheers, everyone.